So guys, Usain Bolt, known as one of the fastest male sprinter ever on earth, has finally exposed himself, and he has shown us why he was running fast and what was making him running fast during his competition and career. After I heard this, it really shocked me, and it's also going to shock you. By the end of this video, you will learn that Usain Bolt did not even use his strength, rather he was using something else. And in this video, we're going to expose Usain Bolt step by step. So make sure to subscribe and also like this video. So Usain Bolt has finally made a post on Twitter that he is actually not doing it on his own, rather he was using something that was very mystical. And in this video, I'm going to explain everything to you. What Usain Bolt uses is none other than hard work. This is the charm that Usain Bolt is using in winning his races. The only charm is hard work, perseverance, never giving up, always striving, always believing in himself, always whenever he feels he is ready to rise up by himself, never giving up, striving. This is the only charm that can make you successful, not